today we got Cara a Fisher-Price Laugh and Learn toy. And Cameron wants us to record her. Hi, what are you doing?
I'm hanging down like a monkey bar.
You're silly.
You're like a gorilla.
You're really good with it.
Take all them out.
You take them all, Cara. Look. Oh, that one's too funny. Hi, baby. Is it fun?
What does the gray horse like to eat? What pigs eat?
Aw, Sharon, good girl.
You're so nice there, Cara. Who's nice?
Hi, silly.
Can I have it?
Aww.
You're so nice. Can I have it? Can I have it?
Good job, Cara.
Can I have it? Can I have it? Can I have it? Can I have it?
All right, Cameron, can you put him back?
That was nice of her. It's so nice.
Cow. Pig. Duck. Sheep. And a horsey. Yay!
Can you give me? Can I have it? Baby, Cara, can I have it? Thank you. Can I have it?
You are a great sharer.
Thank you. Can I have it? Can I have it?
Oh. Good job, Cara.
Can I have that?
Yay! Good job.
Hey.
Can I have it? Aw, thank you. You're a good sharer. Yay.
Thank you.
It says ages 12 to 36 months. And Cara is only 9.5 months.
You're so nice.
She's a little young for it. But she does like to share them with her sister.
Can you give me one? Can you give me one? Oh. Can you give me one, baby Cara? Cara! Can I have one?
She's like, nope, they're mine. Yay! Good job. All right, bye. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.